Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So, okay, thank you. So, how are you, everyone?
Fine, Miss.
I'm fine.
Okay, thank you. So, first of all, I'm going to say sorry because I use my mobile phone. My laptop is still being repaired by Pak Tito. Maybe today it will. Maybe today it will be ready. I don't know, but I'm going to make sure that next week I'm going to use my laptop for the class. So it will be what's that? It will be easy for me to check anything. So today I'm not going to check the attend list by call your name one by one. I just want to take a look on the participants because I don't have my attendance list with me because it's all of the document is in my laptop. Is that okay? So let me
Yes.
check. Okay, let me check. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, who is number 7? So who is number 7? So I don't have. Oh, sudah ada. Okay. Oh, the host is number 7. And then number 8. Okay, 9, 10. How about 11? Who is number 11?
Miss, excuse me, Ijal izin dikarenakan sedang foto KTP katanya.
Oh, photo KTP. Okay, so thank you for the confirmation. Number 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22. How about 23? How about the students number 23? Is there any news? Number 23?
Excuse me, Miss.
Yes?
Number 23 is Naula Awais. She is sick now.
Oh, yes. She texted me this morning. Okay, okay, yeah, okay. Thank you for the confirmation. And now number 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay. And how about 31? So where is the students number 31?
Excuse me again, Miss.
Mm-hmm.
Number 31 is Raihan Rizky Alfariza. Dia izin karena sedang perjalanan ke rumah saudaranya, Miss.
Okay. So another confirmation. All right. So 32, 32, 33. How about 33? Is there any news for the students number 33? Number 33? Mm-hmm.
Kalau untuk Rafael absen 33
Mm-hmm.
masih belum ada konfirmasi, Miss. Tapi
Okay.
sebelum pelajarannya Bu Laras ada pelajaran agama Islam.
Oh,
Sedikit
yeah.
mungkin terlambat join, Miss.
Okay, you can contact him, yeah. Thank you. And now 34, 5, 6, 7, 38, and 39. So you so in your class there are 39 students.
Yes, Miss.
All right. So so the captain or maybe the secretary can send the name of the student who are already give the confirmation, or maybe the one that who are not give the confirmation, which is absent today to me. Okay. So later that will be okay. So I'm going to wait for the name of the students later. Okay. So we have already missed 2 weeks. So we didn't meet for 2 weeks, and the other class they have already present the material of procedure text, while your class we are going to do it. Mean that I'm going to give the instruction. Okay. So if I'm mistaken, Bu Jeffy has already divided you into some group. Is that right?
Yes.
Yes. Right, Miss.
All right. So because Bu Jeffy has already divided you into some group, so after this we are going to discuss within your group. So you have to discuss with your group in a breakout session. I'm going to make a breakout session. So group 1 will join in session 1. How many groups that you have? 8 or 9?
8, Miss.
Okay, so I'm going to make 8 breakout session, and then you have to move later. So group 1 to session 1 until group 8 to session 8. And what you are going to discuss with your friend is that we are going to talk about procedure text. So everyone, we are going to talk about procedure text. Today, you're going to have to discuss with your friend about what is the title that you are going to use for the next presentation. So next week, we are going to do the presentation. Okay. So next week, again, I'm going to repeat, you are going to do the presentation. And what have to be present for the next presentation is that you find the title of your group, you find the procedure text, and then you're gonna have to analyze them based on what is the social function, what is the steps, and also what is the structure. So you have to know about the social function or the purpose and the structure. And you have also explained how to do that, how to make it, how to operate that. So that's only what you have to do. Next week, all the members should be ready for the presentation. Why I say that? Because I'm going to choose one of the representative of the group itu randomly. So I'm not going to what's that? So you don't have to uh, you don't have to be worried. Ya nggak usah khawatir kalau misalnya I only ask what that you have to choose one. You don't have to choose because I'm going to choose for you. So all the members should be ready for the presentation. So if the member is consists of 5 students, one student will be the presenter, one other students will help to share the content, and the other will help to answer the question. So I'm going to give questions after the presentation. Is that clear about the presentation?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
That's clear, Miss.
Okay, so now what you're gonna have to do with your group is only decide about the title. Okay, so you are going to talk about the title. What is the title of the group? The title of the procedure for your group. Nah, you can find it in internet. That will be okay. Or maybe you can just what's that? Make it by your own. So if you have an experience in how to do or how to operate or how to make, that will be okay. You can make your own. So for example, in the previous class, they maybe like they have some titles which is they want to show us about what they have already experienced before. Tadi tuh ada yang bikin how to make a 3D object using Blender. Because in the previous lesson, they learned about that. And then for the English task, they use that for the procedure text. So that will be okay. Another class, itu ada yang how to edit video, how to edit photo, how to make a blog, something like that. So have to be you don't have only I mean that you don't only have to find it in internet, but you can use your own. Jadi bebas buat punya kalian sendiri. That will be good because you can also show us, bisa langsung ditunjukkan ketika presentasi. So the presentation is not the term of PowerPoint, jadi nggak harus selalu pakai PowerPoint. If you want to make a PowerPoint, that will be okay, but if you want to show us how to do it directly, that will be good also. Jadi ada kemarin yang langsung dia bikin template-nya, kemudian langsung diisi kayak bahasa pemrogramannya. So just type HTML bla bla bla. Nah, that will be okay. And that will be good kalau misalnya kalian bisa show us directly. Okay, so tapi kalau mau cari di internet juga nggak masalah. It doesn't matter for me. So both of that. So after this, you're gonna discuss with your friend about the title. I'm go. I'm I will go. I will go to your group one by one, asking about the title and what have you already discussed, and then we are going to go back to the main session. So the discussion, maybe it will be 15 minutes, 10 minutes for the discussion, and then after 10 minutes, I will go to your group, and then after that, we are going back to the main session, and I'm going to ask again to make sure that you have already decided what you have already discussed before. All right. So right now, oh yeah, can I ask I have already been the co-host right now. Thank you. So I'm going to make the breakout session. I'm going to make 8 breakout session. And you can go to the session that you want. Just like the group, the original group that you have. Okay, I have already make and I have already start the breakout session. So right now you can move to the session based on your group. Okay, please. So how about Aulia, Eunike, and also the host? Have you already know the group?
Ini saya nganu Miss, biar nggak live-nya apa sih ini? Live-nya berhenti Miss. Saya pakai handphone.
Oh yeah, okay. Okay. Thank you very much, the host.
Saya balik ke breakout session lagi.
Pak Hafid, anak-anak lagi ada di breakout session, jadi nggak ada di main room.
Oh, makanya, Bu.
Makanya dicariin ya.
Iya.
Iya.
Bu. Tak laporan yang ngono.
Oke. Sudah ada kok mereka
Thank you,
dari
thank
tadi.
you.
Oke.
Heeh.
Okay, welcome back to the main session, the main room. So you have already discussed with your friend and within your group about the procedure text that you have already, what you are going to have later. So here I'm going to give the strengthen about the next agenda that we are going to do next week. So you're gonna have to pay attention for this. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the things that you are going to do. What should you do in the presentation? So that you're gonna have a first step. So you're gonna have to make sure that you have already learned before about the social function, the structure, about the procedure text. So here I'm going to tell you the social function is just the same with the purpose and also the structure. There will be four structure there. So four parts of structure. The first is the aim or the goals. It's just the same with the social function. And then the second is the things that you are going to need to do the procedure. So for example, the material, the ingredients, or the equipment, or the tools. And then the third is the steps, how to do that, how to make it, how to operate it. And then the last is the result. So make sure that on your presentation, you are going to elaborate them. So you're going to have to know the four things that we have to we have already discussed. You're going to have to know about that. Is there any question for the things that you are going to put for your presentation? Is there any question for that? No question. Okay, so again, the things that really important is that all the member should know about what you are going to do next week, because I'm going to choose the student randomly. So you don't have to provide who gonna present it, but I'm going to choose the student who gonna present it randomly. So before the presentation, I'm going to call all the members. So for example, group 1. The name of group 1, this only the example ya. Ada Afrian, Aulia, Bintang, Davina, and Dinda. So I'm going to call one by one. So if maybe next week, Bintang cannot come to the class, it means that the score is not going to be, it's not going to the to Bintang. So the one who got the point is only Afrian, Aulia, Davina, and Dinda. And Bintang should present the presentation to me in another time. So if you cannot come, so you make sure that you have already know the point. So you're gonna have to present to me. Maybe we can what's that? We can make a schedule for that. And then there will be the presenter. So for example, Afrian will be the presenter, and I'm going to ask the other one of them to help Afrian to share the content. And then after the presentation, there will be some question from your presentation, and all the members can answer. If you answer the question, so there will be additional score for you. If it is the group member cannot answer my question, so the other group, you may help and you may answer my question, and you also will get the additional score. Is that clear for the technique that we are going to use for the presentation?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so maybe only this today. So you can prepare for the next lesson and make sure that you have time to prepare with your group for the next presentation that we are going to do. Thank you very much for today. Thank you very much for the participation. Thank you very much for the discussion. It will be nice, but I'm still waiting for the group. Oh yeah, I'm going to ask first. One group, if I'm mistaken, group 3. Group 3, are you here? I don't know the title from group 3. How about the discussion? Karena saya tanya tadi di group 3, no one answer me when I come to the breakout session. So group 3, are you there? Group 3? Jadi saya nanya tuh ada beberapa orang di situ nggak ada yang jawab. Okay, so group 3. What is the title of your group?
Ini masih ada beberapa referensi judul, tapi masih diskusi untuk menentukan yang fix.
Yeah, so what are they? So what are they? What are the topics? Because you're gonna have to know that the topics from group 1 and the other groups, you may not have the same topic. So let me have another group to give me the title. So make sure that no one have the same topic. So group 1, what is the title? Group 1? Could you please tell us about the title? Group 1, please, the representative of group 1. Group 1? Group 1, hello. Okay, let's move to group 2. How about group 2? What is the title of your group?
Our title is how to make a fluffy pancakes.
Okay, that's good. And then how about group 3? Tadi belum bisa ya. Group 4? How about group 4?
Excuse me, Miss.
Yes.
Group 4 decided to how to connect Webex live stream to YouTube.
Group 4. And how about group 5?
Excuse me, Miss. Our
Five.
main title is how to make sandwich in 5 minutes.
Okay. How about group 6? Group 6, please.
Our procedure text titles will be how to see an HTML page on GitHub as a normal rendered HTML page.
Okay. All right. So you have already decided to make another title. Now, group 7. Group 7, please.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah.
We're going
So,
to make. We're going to make how to build a computer or a PC.
how to build a computer, how to arrange that, the hardware.
Yes,
Okay.
the hardware.
Okay. Now is the last for group 8. Group 8. Yeah. What is the title of your group?
Windows operating system installation.
Okay. So how to install Windows operating system. Okay. So I still wait. How about group 1? Group 1? Group
Yeah,
1?
Miss.
Yes, please. So what is the title of your group?
You wanna make how to make weapon.
How to make Klepon. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Now is group 3. Have you already decided? We still
Yes,
wait for
Miss.
group 3. Yes. So what is that?
How to create geometric pattern in Illustrator.
Okay. So you have already find all the things. If you have, if you want to make a make a changing from your title, please you're gonna have to contact me. Yeah. So let me know about that. Okay. So thank you for. Yeah. So thank you very much for the discussion. It will be so nice for you to have discussion with your friend also. So see you next week, and I hope that you're gonna perform a good presentation. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, Miss
Thank you.
Laras.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes, you're welcome.